Hi, this is Jim Fong with the Jim Fong Group at Urban Nest Realty in Las Vegas. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Today we're talking about how to use Zoom for the desktop. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to zoom.us. All right, go to that URL. Go there. It should take you to an age verification page. This is where you put in your date of birth. Hit continue. Okay, after you're done with that, it's going to ask you how you want to sign up or sign in, I guess. You can sign up with an email address, or you can also sign in with a Google account or a Facebook account as well. Okay, so once you've signed up, you open up Zoom, and then it'll take you to a place, kind of the main page, all right? So what you could do is you could go to the top right and go to host a meeting, go to the drop down with the video on, click that, and then it will prompt you to, if you want to open Zoom, you click open Zoom, and then after that, another box will come up and you want to join with your computer audio. All right, once you're there, you can invite people to your Zoom meeting. You can also turn off your camera so people can't see you in the bottom left, and you can also mute yourself too so people can't hear you in the bottom left. Once you're done, you'll just go to the red button that says end meeting, click that at the top right of your screen, that ends it. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys have fun Zooming out there. Thanks for watching the video. This is Jim Fong with the Jim Fong Group at Urban Nest Realty in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.